Alright, the exhaust is on. I'm just going to remove those two bolts. They're 12s, the head studs. Follow the wire for the O2 sensor plug right there. Unstrap it out of here. And then when you remove the old one, you'll have a bolt in the back right here. It'll be literally back here. And then other than that, this is pretty simple install. It goes pretty much right up. But the two bolts, your O2 sensor, this bracket's gonna go to your foot pegs. And then you got your little springs to hold the muffler. And then your muffler clamp will go right here. And then you just tighten it on the back. And that's pretty much it, how to put the exhaust on.